What are we doing?
Waiting for the Uber for an hour plus. My phone went dead, and now yours is going dead. And we're trying at the temple to get a charger. So miracles occur. We went into the temple and we found a security guard who gave us a battery to charge the phone, and he said we could have it. He wouldn't take money or anything. Okay, we're gonna take out the scooters.
There's still daylight and it's not hot.
Yeah, we're having fun. A little trip on the scooters. Yeah. These are like Civil War. It was one of the earliest free black settlements. And there's 4 black Union troops buried in there. So this is the C&D Canal that we came up on from Chesapeake Bay. Up across this canal and under that big railroad bridge up there, you remember from our video. Now we are just riding along. This trail apparently goes all the way to Chesapeake City, something like 20 miles. Sunset in Delaware. Very pretty across this marsh as we scooter back to the marina. Give you an idea of how fast that current's moving in this Delaware Canal at Delaware City Marina. I don't know if you can see that. It is really moving. It's also breezy, so we may be a no-go for today. I'm going to go look at the tides and currents and the wind predictions. You think the engine's running and we're moving, don't you? Guess what? That's just the current at this dock, and we are gonna have a fun time going off from here when we cast. Alrighty, it is about 6:15 in the morning, and it looks like we're gonna be able to leave Delaware City. Wind and currents are in our favor, so we are going to take off. Coming into Cape May and the Cape May Canal in New Jersey. So we're in Cape May, New Jersey at South Jersey Marina, and this is our spot for tonight. All right, it's first light. We're gonna leave and head out into the Atlantic for the first time. Atlantic on the New Jersey coast. Up off the port bow is the city of Atlantic City. And we're going to keep on going up the coast because we don't have too bad a sea. got some swell and 2-footers. Okay, this is Atlantic City, New Jersey. We've got some favorable seas, so we're going to keep on going to Barnegat Lighthouse. Barnegat Lighthouse. Dredging the sea bottom. The spoils are spraying out the side.
Oh, he's right here! Two of them!
We got a cruise ship, got a cargo ship, we got recreational boats, we got the Statue of Liberty right at the back of that cargo ship. I don't know if you can see it, Statue of Liberty, downtown Manhattan. And this is Ellis Island. Looks like they're doing some renovations on the building.
One of the most
Manhattan.
business cities in the whole world.
Yeah, pretty amazing to be here. I think that's where the World Trade Center was. So the entrance to our marina here is right here at the back of Ellis Island.